Cached fix Windows 11 KB5062660 update error. Step 1. Restart and retry update. Restart your PC fully, not just sleep mode. Go to Settings, Windows Update, check for updates. Try installing the update again. Step 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 1. Go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. 2. Click Run next to Windows Update. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to fix issues. 4. Reboot and try updating again. Step 3. Manually download and install KB5062660. 1. Visit the Microsoft Update catalog, catalog.catalog.update.updatemicrosoft.com. Please open your app to see this link. Search for KB5062660. 3. Download the correct version for your system. x64-based, most Windows 11 systems, ARM-based, Surface or Snapdragon PCs. 4. Double-click the downloaded.msu file to install. 5. Restart your PC. Step 4. Clear Windows Update cache, software distribution folder. 1. Press Windows R, type services.msc, press Enter. 2. Find Windows Update, right-click Stop. Go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. 4. Delete everything inside the folder, don't delete the folder itself. 5. Go back to services.msc and start the Windows Update service. 6. Try checking for updates again. Step 5. Use DISM and SFC to repair corruption. 1. Right-click Start Terminal, Admin, or Command Prompt, Admin. Run the following commands one by one. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Wait for them to complete. 4. Restart your PC and reattempt the update. Step 6. Temporarily disable antivirus firewall. Disable third-party antivirus or firewall, like Norton, McAfee, etc. Try installing the update again. Re-enable your protection after updating. Step 7. Install via Windows 11 Installation Assistant. 1. Go to the official Microsoft page, http:/.microsoft.com/software-download Windows 11. Please open your app to see this link. 2. Download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. 3. Launch it and follow prompts to install the latest feature and security updates, including KB5062660. If all else fails, reset Windows Update Components, Advanced. Let me know if you'd like a full script or command block to do this automatically. Summary, table, step, fixes, restart and retry, fixes basic install problems, troubleshooter, auto-fixes update bugs, manual KB install, bypasses download errors, clear cache, removes corrupt update data, DISM SFC, fixes corrupted system files, disable antivirus, fixes blocked update installers, Installation Assistant, forces update manually,